Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. I'll be making pineapple upside down cupcakes with festival mix. We're gonna mix it up. We are mixing it up this morning. Festival mix. So let's go ahead. How you guys doing? How you doing? Bless. You bless. Butter right in there. A third cup brown sugar. And to that, I'll add in my pineapples. That's 1 can of pineapple. Tablets. 2 eggs. 1, 2. A third cup oil. I'm using vegetable oil. And this is the pineapple juice from the can. Half cup pineapple juice. A festival mix. Do not over mix. Some lemon zest. I'll put it in the oven at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, look what's happening. I can't get it out of the pan. Look what I have to be doing. It is stuck to the bottom of the pan. Look. I have to do this, then this. If this was a baking challenge, the judges said, tastes good, presentation is really bad. Unfortunately, the person going home is Annette. I quickly baked these because my cousin, she just moved. My family, we're all going over. So I said, why not bake a little treat to take with me? You think they'll eat it or they'll send me back home with it? It's delicious, guys. Believe me. Here it is, really nice and soft. But tastes delicious. Now I'll be making some delicious pancakes with my festival mix. Delicious, delicious, soft. I know you will enjoy this one. Oh my gosh. Please give it a try. Leave a comment down below. Let me know. So this is my buttermilk that I made with 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon vinegar. I'm gonna warm it for a few seconds, probably a minute. So now for my festival mix. Got the old package. I should have saved this, and now I'm saving. When you have a favorite bowl to make certain things. Now for my buttermilk, a spoon melted butter. Excuse my 1 fingernail. 2 beaten eggs. Tablespoon vanilla. A teaspoon vanilla. too much butter. See, just a bit of butter, just to grease the bottom of my pan. Depending on how big you want your pancake. I want my pancake to be big. They always say the first pancake never comes out. Pancake, look at it. Nice and fluffy. Delicious. So soft. Look at that. Really delicious. I think this is the best pancake mix you can find. Fluffy, soft, and all you add is buttermilk, a little vanilla, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup melted butter, and that's it, with a little bit of love. I feel like eating another one. It's the food mix. Now for my apple pie crumble cake. First I'm gonna peel around 6 apples. my suggestion, if you're baking this in a springform pan, add foil to the bottom of the pan, or bake it in a regular baking pan, because as you see, it runs out. So
it's a cake.
Yeah, it's apple crumble cake.